OnePlus has recently been launching new models every year. The company's latest addition to their smartphone lineup is the OnePlus Nord 2T 5G, which is expected to be released later this year. This new device is an upgraded version of the previously released OnePlus Nord 2, which has already been a huge success among the customers. In this video, we will take a detailed look at the new OnePlus Nord 2T 5G and see what new features it has to offer. Design and display. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G will come with a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The device will feature a punch-hole display, which will house the front camera. The display will have a 90 Hz refresh rate and will be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. In terms of design, the OnePlus Nord 2T 5G will have a similar design to its predecessor. It will feature a glass back with a plastic frame. The device will be available in 3 color options: Blue Haze, Gray Sierra, and Green Woods. Camera. The camera is one of the most important features of any smartphone, and the OnePlus Nord 2T 5G does not disappoint in this regard. The device will feature a triple camera setup on the back, which will consist of a 50MP primary camera, a 16MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP depth sensor. On the front, the device will have a 32MP selfie camera. The camera will have features like HDR, panorama, and will be capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Performance. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI chipset, which is an upgraded version of the Dimensity 1200 chipset. This new chipset will be built on a 6nm manufacturing process, which will make it more power efficient. The device will come with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and will be available in 2 storage options, 128GB or 256GB. The device will run on Oxygen OS 12, which will be based on Android 12. Battery and charging. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G will come with a 4500 mAh battery, which will support fast charging up to 65W. The device will also support reverse charging, which will allow users to charge other devices using the OnePlus Nord 2T 5G. Connectivity. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G will support 5G connectivity, which will allow users to take advantage of the faster internet speeds offered by 5G networks. The device will also support Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC. Conclusion. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G is a highly anticipated device that is expected to be released later this year. The device will come with a range of new features, including an upgraded chipset, a triple camera setup, and fast charging support. The device will also support 5G connectivity, which will allow users to take advantage of the faster internet speeds offered by 5G networks. Overall, the OnePlus Nord 2T 5G looks like a promising device that is worth considering if you are in the market for a new smartphone.